Hello friends, in this video I intend to teach you how to register with ATC Brokers. You go to the Forex Broker section, select ATC Brokers, and finally click on Go to Website. You go to the ATC Brokers website and click on Create Account. And in the registration section, you select your country of residence. Select your account type and currency, choose your platform, and deposit amount, minimum $1,000. Enter all information and click Start Application. Next, provide personal details. First, middle, last name, date of birth, address, email, and confirmation. Enter your phone number and gender. Indicate if referred by an agent and if the account is for someone else. Click Next. In the next section, you enter your personal information, such as your first name, middle name, and last name, along with your date of birth, full address, email, and email address, and then enter your mobile phone number along with your gender. Were you introduced to this website through an agent or something else? And whether this account belongs to someone else or not. And finally, you click on Next. In the next step, you enter your security information, such as a 4-digit code for accessing your account, and a password for your account. I recommend using a maximum of 12 characters, and including uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. After entering the information, click on Next, and then you confirm the information you entered by clicking on Submit. You agree to the website's terms, and finally, you click on Submit. And then, you confirm the information you entered by clicking on Submit. You confirm the website's terms and finally click on Submit. You confirm the commission terms by checking the box and then click on Next. Confirm declaration, click Next. Tax info, click Next. Enter info, country, birth date, address, click Next. In the next step, you will see information about tax laws and then click Next. In the next step, you enter your personal information such as your country of birth, date of birth, and so on, like your address, and then click on Next. In the next step, if you are a US citizen, you check this box and enter your ID card information for tax purposes. If you are not a US citizen, you check this box and click on Next. In the next section, you enter your tax information and click Next after entering the information. You confirm the individual account and click on Submit Application. Friends, your account has been created, but to work with the ATC Brokers website, you need to upload documents like an ID, card, passport, etc. Good luck.